Hey y'all, let's get hopping. So, it's lunchtime and let's have some veggies. What do you say? Uh, you see, it's a stir fry kit that I got on clearance because I'm cheap. Um, but we're going to toss the sauce because it's usually yucky. So, if we toss the sauce, what's that leave us? Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, broccoli stalks, red cabbage, kale, carrots, snow peas, snap peas, and that's not bad, right? Let's throw on some veggie oil. I made a mess of things again. Uh oh. I actually meant to do this. What is today? I don't know. A couple days ago, but I've gotten tied up. So this has been sitting in the veggie crisper for a couple of days. I don't know if everything's still good. The carrots are a little rubbery looking, but I don't like the carrots anyway. Oh no, that's not true. Um, yeah, most of it's still good. These things sometimes take more time. The carrots take more time. Uh, I don't know how much of them we'll actually eat. In the yucky, I've tried using these before and they're just yucky. So, we've got veggies. And my thing's exploded here. There we go. Uh, Salt, pepper, garlic. And Mrs. Dash is in there. Some paprika. All that. Oh man, that smells good. All that kind of good stuff. Let's flatten out the curve here. Make sure everybody gets mushy. Maybe splash a little extra olive oil. What do you say? What else do we have? We got some Veggies Saison Complete Seasoning. This is a good herbal thing, similar to Mrs. Dash. Adobo seasoning, Mrs. Dash, any of those mixed herbal thingies. And let's give it a quick stir, shall we? I know Baja. Co-host Baja is expressing her opinion on veggie days. She prefers bacon days, smash burger days, smash chicken burger days, basically anything but veggie days. But sometimes I like my veggies, man. Okay, next. Chili lime seasoning from Trader Joe's, similar to Tajin seasoning, Tajin. Great on fruits and fruits and all kinds of stuff. Okay. I've been debating about this. It's chicken flavored bouillon powder. Um, just to give it a little bit of chickeny flavor. What do you think? Without opening up a thing of chicken stock or veggie stock or I don't know. We'll see. It may ruin it. It may kick it up just a notch. I've also been debating. I've still got some of my Trader Joe's everything but the leftover seasoning that would be fantastic on this. I already know. But since I can't find any more of the seasoning, I don't know if I want don't want to say waste it, but use it up on, veggies when I could be using it on good stuff. No, not good. On, you know, chicken and turkey and all kinds of stuff like that. So it's cooking up nice and something. Yesterday, you couldn't see anything because we were in the clouds again, and it was cold and yucky up here. Meanwhile, down on the beach, it was beautiful, so we went and ate at the beach. But I'm having withdrawals. Ergo, veggie day on the griddle, because I'm having withdrawals. Griddle withdrawals. Ergo. My ergo right here on the sides of my head. Anyway, I know, bad puns. I'm sorry. So I'm not a big kale fan, but it's edible when it's chopped up in something like this with lots of seasonings and whatnot. In fact, we're almost done. That is the sound of a Baja chasing a ball with a ball in her mouth. Weird dog. You know what? The bouillon, I think, was a good idea. Oh, that's good. So, most of this is done. Should we check the carrots? Carrots are pretty done. Brussels sprouts take a lot longer. I brought my melting dome because steaming under the dome really speeds things up and helps it cook more thoroughly and gets moisture in there. And I think I don't need it. I think this has come out well. So what we're going to do now, before I tabulate all the votes here, is extreme close up. Ah! Okay, sorry I had to do that. That's it. Veggies. There's the view. There's the co-host. Right, Baja? You have anything to add today? No, she does not. Okay. Thanks for watching, y'all. Come back and see us. Bye!